Does your home's exterior feel more dated than dreamy? You're not alone. Many homeowners overlook their exterior design, letting it fade into the background instead of making it shine. Here's the truth. You don't need a massive budget or a full remodel to transform your curb appeal. With just a few smart updates, your contemporary farmhouse exterior can go from plain to polished and become the most welcoming feature of your home. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful ideas to upgrade your farmhouse look. From modern siding to black accents, these tips are practical, inspiring, and budget-friendly. Stick around, because the last idea might just be the easiest way to make your neighbors jealous.
Welcome to Architecture Inspiration X, your go-to space for elegant, creative, and practical home design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly transformative for your outdoor space: patio pergola ideas. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how the right pergola can turn your patio into a stunning retreat.
Modern siding and cladding choices. Your siding sets the stage for the entire farmhouse look. Board and batten siding, the classic farmhouse staple, now in crisp whites and grays. Mixed materials, pair vertical shiplap with natural stone for depth. Low maintenance options, consider fiber cement or engineered wood for long-lasting beauty. Example, a family swapped outdated vinyl for white board and batten with cedar accents, instantly boosting curb appeal. Styling tips. Add natural wood beams or gables for warmth. Use contrasting trim for dimension. Keep landscaping simple to let the siding shine. Love the board and batten look? Tap that like button. Neutral and earthy color palettes. Color is what gives your home personality. White with black trim, the iconic modern farmhouse look. Beige or grayish tones, soft, warm, and welcoming. Muted greens or taupe, perfect if you want a nature-inspired vibe. Tip: balance neutrals with wood accents, like a natural oak door, for a cozy finish. Which would you choose? Bright white or earthy tones? Comment below. Metal roofs and contrasting trim. A roof isn't just practical, it's a style statement. Choose black or charcoal metal roofs for bold contrast. Pair with light siding for that high-impact farmhouse look. Add wood shutters or trim for balance. Pro tip, metal roofs last decades and reflect heat, making them energy efficient. Drop an emoji if a black metal roof is on your dream list. Porches, columns, and outdoor living. Nothing says farmhouse welcome like a front porch. Add chunky columns in white or stained wood. Style with cozy seating, layered rugs, and farmhouse lanterns. Use hanging plants or planters to soften the look. Bonus, Even small porches can feel big with space-saving furniture and vertical decor. Want my porch styling checklist? Grab it from the description. Windows, doors, and black accents. It's the little details that bring your exterior to life. Black framed windows add sleek, modern lines. Farmhouse doors in natural wood or matte black make a statement. Matte black fixtures like railings, door handles, and lanterns tie everything together. Extra tip: add large windows or glass-paneled doors to let natural light flood your interiors. Would you pick wood or black for your front door? Tell me below. So here's the big question. Is your farmhouse exterior blending in or standing out? You don't need a full renovation to transform your curb appeal. Just start with one of these 5 ideas. Modern siding and cladding choices, neutral and earthy color palettes, metal roofs and contrasting trim, porches, columns and outdoor living, windows, doors and black accents. Each one adds style, charm, and personality, making your exterior as inviting as the inside of your home.